In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Smartsheet and open your workspace, sheet, report, or dashboard. To get started, open your web browser on your computer or launch the Smartsheet app if you're using a mobile device or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, since that will help everything load smoothly and prevent interruptions during the sign-in process. Once you're ready, go to the Smartsheet login page. If you're in a browser, this is where you'll enter your account details to access your Smartsheet environment. If you're using the app, you'll typically be taken to the same sign-in screen automatically. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the official Smartsheet sign-in page so you know you're accessing the correct platform. Next, enter your email address in the appropriate field. Be sure to type the email associated with your Smartsheet account. This is important because Smartsheet uses your email to identify your account and determine the right sign-in method for your organization or personal setup. After entering your email, click Continue. At this point, Smartsheet will move you to the next stage of the login process. Depending on how your account is configured, you may be asked to enter your password directly, or you may be prompted to sign in using single sign-on. Single sign-on is commonly used by organizations and allows you to log in through your company's identity provider rather than entering a separate Smartsheet password. If you're prompted for a password, enter it carefully and make sure there are no typing errors. If your account uses single sign-on, follow the on-screen instructions to complete that process. The exact screens may look a little different depending on your organization's setup, but the general flow is the same. Confirm your identity and continue to your account. In some cases, you may also need to complete a verification step. For example, you might be asked to approve a sign-in request, enter a verification code, or complete another security check. This extra layer of security helps protect your account, so just follow the instructions provided and finish the verification if it appears. Once you've successfully signed in, you can open the item you need in Smartsheet. This could be a workspace, a sheet, a report, or a dashboard, depending on what you're working on. Navigate to the appropriate area, select the item you want, and open it to begin working. At that point, you're fully logged in and ready to use Smartsheet.